inconvenient is it that when you get into your car, you discover that you have a flat tire or dead battery? It always seems to happen when you're on the way to class or to work. With the fast tempo of daily life, the last thing that any motorist needs is to become stranded, have to fork out extra money for maintenance, or lose time having their vehicle towed to sit in the shop. As students with jobs, families, and extracurricular activities, time is a critical factor. It does not take an expert to know the warning signs of mechanical failure or even to change a tire. Anyone can learn. With 5 years experience as a helicopter mechanic and as a career as a Subaru technician, I can teach you the basics of inspecting your vehicle and performing minor maintenance when you're caught behind. By not routinely inspecting your vehicle, motorists risk safety to themselves and their passengers. They risk being stranded during daily commutes or road trips and are likely to spend more money annually on maintenance costs. By going the extra mile to inspect your vehicle during every gas refill, you will know when it's time to start saving up for new tires or a brake job. Inspections are simple tasks that can help you save time and prepare for future expenses before encountering further damage to your car. Tire pressure and tread depth go hand in hand when it comes to preventing wear and tear of your tires and blowouts. The deterioration of tires can be as inconvenient as having an unexpected flat or as serious as a catastrophic vehicle collision. Inspecting your tread is simple. All you need is a penny. When inspecting your vehicle, you'll want to have Mr. Lincoln upside down. You'll stick him in between your tread. If his head is covered, then you know your tread is good. If his head is visible, then you know it's time to replace your tires. Now that we've discussed a scenario on how vehicle inspections can enhance travelers' safety, we'll discuss what to do in the event of a battery and a flat tire. Flat tires and dead batteries are occurrences that you never see coming. While frustrating and inconvenient, here's an explanation of how to jump a battery and to change a tire. There's simple procedures that anyone can perform. What you'll need is your spare tire kit. Spare tire kits come standard in most vehicles. In the event that you purchase a previously owned vehicle, you'll need to acquire these items as soon as possible. First, you'll want to set up your vehicle by putting your jack on the side of the tire that you'll be replacing. Carefully jack your tire up, make sure the vehicle is stable, and allow yourself enough clearance to remove the tire. You'll want to remove 5 of your lug nuts, remove the bad tire, and then put your spare tire on. When tightening your lug nuts of the spare tire, it is important to go in a cross-directional pattern. This is to ensure proper seating of your spare tire, which ultimately results in your safety. It is imperative that you drive no more than 50 miles on a spare tire, so make sure you get to a car dealership or a tire shop as soon as possible to have that replaced. At some point in time, we've left our lights on and inadvertently drained our vehicle battery. Car batteries fail for many reasons, sometimes not even at the fault of our own. Batteries have a shelf life of 24 months and they operate at 12 volts direct current. If a battery falls below the limitations, your vehicle will not have enough power to start. In order to jumpstart a car battery, you'll need to have a set of jumper cables. Jumper cables can be purchased for as inexpensive as $10 at most retailers, even on Amazon. They're color-coded so that they're user-friendly. What you want to do is have somebody help you out in jump-starting your car. You'll want to apply the positive lead, red, to the good battery, and then apply the positive lead to the bad battery, like so. Next, you will want to apply your negative lead to the good battery. And lastly, apply the negative lead to the chassis or metal mount of the bad vehicle. Next, you'll start the good battery, and let it run for 2 minutes. And then you'll go ahead and start the vehicle that you were jump starting. Once the vehicle is started, you'll remove the leads in reverse fashion, like so. Negative, negative, positive, and positive. It is recommended that when you get your car jump started to replace your battery as soon as practical. Once the battery falls below a specific voltage, it will be nearly impossible to jumpstart because of how little voltage is left on the battery's charge. In conclusion, proactively inspecting your vehicle and knowing how to perform minor maintenance can save you time, promote safe driving, and reduce vehicle costs. By inspecting your vehicle when you travel, you can travel with peace of mind this summer or make it to your finals on time. The stress of becoming stranded will be reduced because you will know how to change your tire and jumpstart your battery. Finally, you will be able to save money this year on maintenance costs because you will know how to perform the maintenance by yourself. Having your car towed is extremely expensive. Don't become a stranded motorist this summer. Keep going the extra mile and get to know your vehicle.